ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Hagabayade bat ka Tulop jong Nonghikai MSS ASA kabala sa pendeng mentalasan Bnai o menteri ketenat puli umala kemen rumbui ula kerpat ia kidekot jong Meghalaya Sarba Shiksha Abhiyan School Association bakin Yaisha Ashipor kat baka Sorkar kadang persyang ban peniyok no ia ka Tulop jong Nonghikai. Habakran sa kinong patay kubor hadin balaway ka jingyalang jong ka kunhon ki menteri Sorkar haka shitarik uluber arjar arpuar umalak men ulaong bakani gadai kamat kebajuan hagajo kopor ula penpau kejingsong sen ai Nonghikai bagi hab bandami surak bandawa yala ka hok lajong Shushu menteri ketenat puli ulaong bagi Nonghikai kidai banda perkhat bat sngutu baga Sorkar ru kadang yelek kat balak ban Siew dep ya Tulop haga baula kedau baga dorbar mang teka kaban sedang haga sautarik luber arjar arpuar kan penslem ya kani kakam jong Nonghikai MSSASA da kumno hadu kabakut jong Uniu Bnai.
SSA is a very difficult subject. I feel that pity for the people for their own right. They have to come to the street. Having said that, we from the government, we are trying to do what it is needed to do so that we will get the installment from the central government. We are very happy that we are one of the few states which have got the full first installment from the government of India. And now all the necessary UC, this and that we have submitted to the central government. In fact, last week also I am in Delhi to pursue for the second installment of this thing. So on the behalf of the government, I request that they should see that we are trying to it, and as we know that the budget is starting on the 4th, and I hope that something could be done before the 31st of March regarding the pending salary. We from the state government, the government will try to do something which I hope that after the budget. So from the government side, we request that nothing could be done until and unless through protest, this and that. But having said that, the government is trying its best, and we will try to do what maximum possible before the 31st of March 2022. If you remember in 2019, about 78 crore plus, I don't remember the exact figure, we have drawn from the Corpus Fund to meet the emergency need of the SSC teachers. And having said that, I have already explained to you, after this budget session, we will try to do something positive within the 31st of March 2022.